แต่kalau ngelakong ya pi bangan pen ino ki subscribe cunga ki don kat nungut hawai ki la don kumba news pak atho nay don ki por ka kiu pat ka hia su nay to kam le mong nya ya pasang be kat bala ngan pasang beแต่มันตั้งเงินเละเอาไว้กับ reaction music กับบักแตง rap is in my gene กับบลักรวยใน BadBhoi ที่บัดใกล้ถ้าเป็นรวย rap เอาไว้อะไรไอ้แตง BadBhoi หรือลง good boy งานเดม boy แต่งานบุกลิงจุดนี้ครับ description จังนะcek ke original video but saya harap ya iru ma ba entiu sprang oi ilong ba triam bat ibadan kasap panwai rap nga setenat haban sengap ke jingwai jing ikan nyala sengap la repeat action license ya ke jingwai jing i bersetenat palak jangan nyapit nak mentah ta rap is in my gene di BadBhoi and sober don't really dress more and
rappers in my jeans, rhymes that I'm kicking. Rappers in my jeans, I made it out of nothing. Rappers in my jeans, cause I'm so body about it. Rappers in my jeans, you better know it like it's knowledge. Go, rappers in my jeans, rhymes that I'm kicking. Rappers in my jeans, I made it out of nothing. Rappers in my jeans, cause I'm so body about it. Rappers in my jeans, you better know it like it's knowledge. Yo, I came in the game about 3 years ago. Sounded like deep right with a genuine flow. Never thought it would blow it, cause shit was never a goal. Until I took it as a passion, started rapping my soul. I quit sleeping, putting days and hours in the work, and grab a pen and a pad, and kept on going with the rapping. Choked a couple times, I got them other rappers laughing. But working was the only thing that was never abandoned. Started to realize that I should never end it. My mama told me, son, you finished what you started. You can stop for a second and try to visualize my vision. If you don't see me at the top, then homie, you ain't seen nothing, I'm bluffing. If I say it, I mean it, I just meant what I said. Laces shoes for my own expedition, so me and you suckers, it's never a tie. The Larry D on my name, bitch, I'm never behind. Rappers in my jeans, rhymes that I'm kicking. Rappers in my jeans, I made it out of nothing. Rappers in my jeans, cause I'm so body about it. Rappers in my jeans, you better know it like it's knowledge. Go, rappers in my jeans, rhymes that I'm kicking. Rappers in my jeans, I made it out of nothing. Rappers in my jeans, cause I'm so body about it. Rappers in my jeans, you better know it like it's knowledge. If rapping was a job, you suckers rejected applicants. Rappers in my jeans, baby, you know that I'm relevant. I deserve to be at the top cause I fit the requirements. I'm hotter than a fireman, I am what you're hearing. Swear this kid is not pretending it. But if you think I'm bluffing, you can print the lyrics out and fucking keep it as a souvenir. I'm not a pessimist, I made it through hard times. Thanks for the bullshit though, it made me write rhymes. Pain made me feel better, got my exes declined. Now I'm the shit, baby, divine. So everybody put your motherfucking hands up, because it's song for the ones who love hip-hop. Now everybody put your motherfucking hands up, because it's song for the ones who love hip-hop. Rappers in my jeans, rappers in my jeans, rappers in my jeans, yeah. Rappers in my jeans, yeah. Rappers in my jeans, rappers in my jeans, rappers in my jeans, rappers in my jeans, rappers in my 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 jeans, rap 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 jeans, rappers in my rap rap rappers in my rappers in my jeans, jeans, rappers in my rap rap
Kaduru không có chịu mà không có chịu này kaduru thế cũng nó perlu bias kena yang sampai ke kerja syabat ke jengwai kau ingat masa teman tu man kuat Shillong itu thôi nào chẳng quay cầu vẫn chia subscribe nữa ta có share cho subscribe để tôi tăng nhà like và tăng nhà share kan video cuma but nggak dan banyak news tăng subscribe Jadi kinong pet kirang tuna hashtag kan kijak kita subscribe semua. Dan tepat kita tiba dang ikamai ke video cuma semua ada ya like, ya share, subscribe. Banyak rap yang para kasih kuat ban ong tang kita. Kebelah sibun kita baru kita pet akan video.